Hey, hello everybody. Welcome to another basic JavaScript code along on Freecodecamp. And today we're going to continue where we left off. Basic JavaScript compound assignment with augmented subtraction. All right, I think the previous one we did was addition, so this one's subtraction. It's just the opposite of this. Okay, subtraction, same thing here. Subtraction. Get this out of the way. All right. I think you should listen to some music while you're doing this. This exercises on Freecodecamp. You know, it helps. The star, yeah, star. It's basically the exact same thing. Give us a new challenge. We're bored. Yeah, the challenges will come soon, pretty soon. They'll come like a whirlwind. You won't believe your eyes. Oops, what's this? All right. Okay, so. Okay, we have our timer running. I actually forgot to set it up, but I guess it's up now, so we can continue. Same thing, 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 same thing. Ooh, yeah, yeah. Previously we had used the code var my name equals your name or my name. Your name is called a string literal, and it is a string because it is a series of 0 or more characters enclosed in single or double quotes. That's like this, like so. Create two new string variables, my first name and my last name, and assign them the values of first name. And because we do not play by the rules, first of all, we are not going to change the code below that line. Why? Because we are gangster like that. So my first name, I could have changed the name of the variable, but you have to use this or else we won't be able to move over to the next exercise. So my first name, of course I'm gonna put my name. Okay, let's see. Donald. Guess what's coming next? You guessed it. My last name. Camel case, remember. Yeah, starting with this. Starting with small letter, then next word, the first letter of next word, capital letter. Yeah, the first letter of the next word, capital letters too. So my last name, what did you think? Duck. See what I did there? Oops, what happened? Huh? At least one character in it. That's a string. Oh, I didn't declare. Why do I keep forgetting this? var, sorry. Such a simple task to accomplish. I'll make such a mistake again, I promise. When you are defining a string, you must start and end with single or double quotes. What happens when you need a literal quote? Yes, this inside your string. I remember this. In JavaScript, you can escape quotes by using the backslash, which is this. So if we want this quote to be in our string, we have to use a backslash just right before the quote, like so. Okay, so use backslashes to assign string to blah 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 blah. So it will print I am a double quoted string inside double quotes. Alright, so what's the name of the string? My string. Alright, so in here, you know what? Because we don't play by the rules, let's do this. Alright, so my string is just more work, but I don't like following the rules. Okay. I am a, remember, backslash this. I'm just going to copy this, copy, and then paste. What is going on? Yo. What the hell is going on? I am a backslash. I am a backslash. Then don't forget this. So here, what we put is double quoted. Yeah. Then string inside backslash this, backslash this. I use backslash often. Who does? No one does. Double quotes. And then after which is full stop. I think we're good to go. Aren't we? No spaces here. Awesome. Quoting string with single quotes. Okay, here this is a HTML block of text. Whatever. String values in JavaScript may be written in with single or double quotes as long as, well, let's just move on to the tests. Backslash should not be confused with the forward slash. They do not do the same thing. Change the provided string to a string with single quotes at the beginning and end and no escape characters. No escape characters. Oh, I get what you mean. Okay, so this should be single quotes, not an escape character. Right. I guess so. That's one way to get around it, I think. Ooh. 2 single quotes and 4 double quotes. Oh, so this is meant to be the single quotes, and then all these other ones are meant to be the double quotes. My bad. You see, you have to do everything by the rules of Freecodecamp. Not, you ain't going nowhere. Can we go now? Thank you. Quotes are not the only characters that can be escaped in a string. There are 2 reasons to use escaping characters. First, it's allow you to use characters you might not otherwise be able to type out, such as the backspace. Second is to allow you to represent multiple quotes in a string without JavaScript misinterpreting what you mean. We learned this in the previous challenge. So this. So basically putting the backslash in front of any of these. Okay, backslash, blah blah blah. So assign the following 3 lines of text to a single variable. My string. Blah blah blah. Okay, so here it's a text with the escape sequences written out. So first line. Okay, let's check our time. 7 minutes. Okay, very good. Fine line. First line. New line. Tab. Backslash, second line, new line, third line. So these are the ones in red are the ones we are meant to represent using this stuff here. So let's go. My string equals what? Okay, first line with capital letters, first line. The new line, I think new line is backslash n. if I'm correct. Thank you. New line, and then tabs forward /t, /t. That's this. And then what next? Backslash. Backslash is backslash. Yeah. Backslash, such a cool name. Backslash. Backslash. No. Okay. Then second line. Whoops. Okay, these ones, they're good. And we have second line. And then we have new line. New line again. It's /n. Then we have third line. I hope we get this right. We got nothing right. Isn't that amazing? Wow. Well, let's have a look. Okay, I think there's not meant to be any spaces. No spaces. Let's try that. Okay, we've gotten 3 correctly now. My string should contain the string's first line. I must have gotten something wrong here. L, line, and line. You see, these guys are so particular about all the capitalizations and everything, trying to get you used to how to do the correct thing in terms of naming conventions and stuff like that. Camel case, no. In JavaScript, when the plus operator is used with a string value, it is called concatenation operator, just like this. And then it is printed out like so. My name is Alan, I concatenate. Watch out for spaces, alright. This is the start, this is the end using the plus operator. Okay, something similar to this. This equals. Let's do everything straightforward. This. What's wrong with me today? This is the start, full stop, space, and this is the end, full stop. Alright. Concatenating string with the plus equals operator is basically the same thing as plus equals. What are we meant to do? Use the plus equal operator to build my string. Okay, so what are you doing? My string should have the value, a value of this is the first sentence plus this is the second sentence. So we have this is the first sentence, full stop. Okay, that's this right here. Okay, so you have a space here to take note of these little things. All right, so moving on to the next line, I have my string, which is this plus equals. Alright, let's put this right here first of all. So we have this, I'm just going to copy it. Not because we don't play by the rules, but because I'm lazy to type it out fully. So basically what we are doing here is my string plus equals. So we're replacing, or we are concatenating using this operator, plus equals operator. So the already existing string in the already existing string in the myString variable is concatenated with this one right here using this operator. Make sense? Not really? Awesome. Let's go further. All right. Basic JavaScript, constructing strings with variables. This is a string. This is another string. This is another string, and this is another string. All right. Set my name to equal to a string equal to your name. Build my string. My name between thing string. My name is and I am well. Okay, so set it to, what's our name? Donald Duck. Yeah, that's our name. And my string should have okay, my name is, all right. Okay, and then we write my name. Don't forget the concatenation operator, that's the plus sign, and then space and I am well. Don't forget your exclamation mark. Moving on. How far along are we? 15 minutes, so we have 5 minutes left. Just as we can build a string over multiple lines out of string literals, we can append variables to a string using the plus equals operator. Okay, set some adjective, append it to my string using the plus equal. Okay. Adjective. You know what? We are just going to steal theirs. Actually, we're not stealing, we're borrowing it. Right? So copy and paste. Plus, sorry, equals. Alright, and then my string plus equals some adjective. I think we're good. We're good. No one didn't see nothing. You can find the length of the string value by writing .length after the string variable or string literal. .length basically tells us how many letters are in letters, not letters, characters, or how long our string is. So if you have a space here, it will be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And if you have just your normal Lovelace, it will be 8. So it counts everything, including spaces, exclamation marks, tilde, what have you, everything. It counts everything. So last name, you can say last name dot length. Oops, I can spell length correctly. Yes, so it gives us back 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Yeah, 8. So moving on to the next challenge. Use bracket notation to find the first character in a string. Bracket notation is a way to get a character at a specific index within the string. Most modern programming languages like JavaScript don't start counting like at 1 like humans do. They start at 0. It's called, this referred to as series-based indexing. Okay, so use bracket notation to find the first character in the last name variable and assign it to first letter of last name. Okay, so the first character is going to be at 0. Why? Because we start counting names like this Lovelace. This is 0, then this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Now it's a different thing from the length. The length actually returns what is the number of characters we have in that string. However, the indexing, if you're talking about the position of each letters, it starts with 0. So if you say return the first letter, this is at index 0. So what we do is simple 0, which will return L. You good? You good? All right. JavaScript string values are, how far along are we? 19 minutes. Can we finish this before me? Let me just put this over here. I've already wasted too much time. Let's see if we can finish this before the time runs out. My string should have a value of hello world. Hello world. We good? I wrote Jello. Oh my goodness, I messed it up. Work? No, it didn't work. Oh. To read it properly. Do not change the code above the line. Only change the code below this line. Reset all code. Reset. So when I finish 21, I missed it. Anyway, correct the assignment to my string. So it's contained. So we are changing Jello world to hello world. Okay. So my string 0, we're replacing it with H. Can I assign? I don't know what the heck is going on. Correct the assignment to my string. Okay, so it contains the string value of hello world using the approach shown the example of. So we are basically replacing it with hello world. Then why didn't it work the first time? I checked the video again. No, the entire thing. Okay. 21 minutes 11 seconds, whatever. Anyway, thank you guys so much for watching. Please like the video if you did. See you in the next one. Peace.